Don't mind the thestrals. They're clever and useful, they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. I'll have to round up the group before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. That's enough for today. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His farts are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power.
Holy shit!
Oh, I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at Matty. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Soleil after me. Lumos Soleil. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screw. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted.